Want to know how to check out your purchases in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application on your phone. So we have also created similar videos on how to use Best Buy, so make sure to watch it. So once you're under this interface right here, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profiles. Just simply select that. This is your account. So now once you've created your account, here you should be seeing your account information. So you can just scroll down a little bit and you should be seeing your purchases. So you can just simply select that. And this would show your purchase history or the purchases that were made. So you can just simply see it through your services, subscriptions and much more, as you can see, and scroll, and you can also search for it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily see your purchase history in Best Buy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar Best Buy videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.